I have 2 pimples here. So at least it will also treat my pimple, guys, diba? Hi guys, it's Faith again and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a new sunscreen review for you guys because we are living in the Philippines. Kahit tag-ulan dito sa Pilipinas, kapag hindi umuulan, sobrang init pa rin. Nowadays, I make sure to apply sunscreen every single day because sunscreen in makeups are not enough. Sunscreen in your powders, in your foundations, they're not enough, guys. So you really need to have a separate sunscreen. And for today, we are going to review a sunscreen from Some by Me. This is the Truecica Mineral 100 Calming Sun Cream. Pinadala sa akin ito ng Some by Me. I just got this last Friday and eto nga, I'm really excited to try this out because Some by Me is famous in treating acne, and you all know I have acne. I have 2 acnes here. So it's nice to know that there's a sunscreen that is protecting us from UV rays, and at the same time it's also treating my pimples kind of, because this sunscreen contains tea tree and Truecica. That's 10,000 ppm. I don't know what that is, but basically that just means I have a código here that contains mugwort, tea tree, centella extract, and we all know centella is great in treating pimples. Centella powder extract. Basically, these ingredients that I just mentioned, they calm down skin stress that is caused by UV ray. So this sunscreen contains SPF 50+, PA++++, the highest UV protecting rating. This is a 100% mineral sunscreen that instantly reflects UV ray instead of being absorbed into the skin. Yung claim nito, this does not contain nanoparticles, so that means yung cream is mas madali siyang ma-absorb sa ating skin. So because it does not have nanoparticles, it absorbs to the skin really fast. So this sunscreen is a triple acting sunscreen. This blocks UV. This is also whitening, and at the same time, it's anti-wrinkle. So that's nice to know, guys. I'm happy na it's a triple function kasi aside from this being a sunscreen that blocks UV rays, harmful UV rays, it's also whitening. I have a lot of skin pigmentations, dark spots on my face because of acne marks, and at least this is also whitening, so that will help me lighten those dark spots. And at the same time, it's also anti-wrinkle kasi we're not getting young. I'm already on my late 20s, so this is perfect. This contains 50 ml or 1.69 fluid ounce. And eto na siya, guys, yung box. Tapos, yung price nito, ilalagay ko lang somewhere on the screen. Ang ganda ng packaging, guys. I love the packaging because it's in a squeezy tube packaging. So, I'm gonna get the sunscreen. Ayan siya, guys. It's not runny. Ayan siya. Ganyan yung kanyang texture. It's really a cream. Puti lang talaga siya. Siyempre, hindi ko sasayangin yung andito. Ilalagay ko to on my entire right side. Sayang itong andito eh. So, ayan. I-blend na natin. It's, alam niyo ba, guys? It's very soft hawakan. And it's, kahit cream siya, it's not a thick cream. It's really thin. So, it feels really, really lightweight. I like it. First impression, I like it, guys. Sa lapat pa lang, it's non-greasy at all. Wow. I like it. So, ang claim nito, this does not have any artificial scent. Pero may bango siya, guys. It has a scent na parang herbal. Scent na galing sa mga herbal plants, ganun. Pero hindi siya mabaho. It smells actually really nice. But it's not an overwhelming scent. It's a really mild scent. So that is half side of my face applied with the sun cream, guys. As you can see, may difference ba? Ito, medyo na-mattified niya ng konti. I really love it. I love the texture. So I'm gonna get 1 pump again. So, ganyan yung texture niya, guys. It's a cream, but it's really, really soft hawakan. And the consistency is really, really thin. Also, don't forget our neck. This is a mineral sunscreen that is not heavy, and this does not leave any white cast on the face. Yun yung kanyang claim. And so far, ayan siya, guys, when blended. It blended into nothing. So, alam nyo, feeling ko mabilis yung absorption talaga kasi eto, wala na. It feels like nothing on your skin. Mabilis siya mag-absorb. Totoo nga talaga, this does not contain any nanoparticles. So, wala talaga. Kaya, ayan, ang bilis niya mag-absorb, guys, in fairness. Yung cream is white, pero it blended into nothing. It blended into colorless or nothing in my skin. I like it. It does not have any white cast. That is true. I actually love the sunscreen first impression. So, I'm gonna finish the rest of my makeup and let's see kung ano yung feeling nito underneath makeup. And ayan guys, I'm back. So this is my face. Underneath all of this makeup is this sunscreen from Sun by Me. And honestly guys, I don't feel the sunscreen or the sun cream. Feeling ko wala lang siya. Ganun siya guys. It's very, very lightweight. I don't feel anything. Hindi ako nahirapan sa makeup application ko on top of this sun cream. Kasi parang wala lang talaga siya guys. It blended into nothing. Ang bilis niyang i-absorb sa skin. So ayun siya guys. It doesn't feel heavy underneath makeup. I actually really love yung lapat ng foundation sa aking mukha on top of this one. I don't know kung sa camera lang ba ito guys o sa salamin ko. But can you see that? Sobrang ganda ng face ko guys. Wow. Ang ganda talaga no. Yung makeup ko today, yung ibig kong sabihin, ayan. Sobrang ganda. So for this sun cream, I'm gonna give it a thumbs up guys. It's nice to know that there is a sunscreen that protects our skin from harmful UV rays, that is also whitening, and it's also anti-wrinkle. At least guys ba, it's a sun cream na may ganun na skincare properties. Kasi minsan ko lang yun naririnig or nakikita sa isang sun cream. And also, this one, I believe also helps treat pimple. Kasi nga, this contains tea tree oil and centella, and that two main products, I believe, helps treat acne. Kasi they have antibacterial properties, ganun. So, I love those functions sa sunscreen na ito because it's like an all-in-one sunscreen. So, if you wanna know more about this one, guys, I'm gonna link this product on the description box below, and where you can buy this, ililink ko yun lahat on the description box below. So that's it guys for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and also click that bell button beside the subscribe button so you will not miss any of my videos. That's it guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye guys. God bless everyone. Mwah.